Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to create a photo collage. Attributions and links of images are located in my video description. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. The first step is to create a new document by going to File and New. Name your project. Set the width 2560 pixels and height 1440 pixels and fill the background with any color, or you can introduce a background of your choice. First, we will add a guide to better locate objects. To do this, go to the View and make sure that Snap and Snap to are checked. Then, go to View, New Guide Layout. Then we draw the shapes, each in its own layer. You have the possibility to choose the shapes or the designs that you like. I chose the heart. Distribute the shapes as you want. Use Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command plus T to adjust the size and position of the shapes. Go to View, Show, Guide to hide the guide. Select one of the layers or click Height to see its location. Drag and drop photo on the main document. You can reduce the opacity when you place the image in the right place. Right-click on the photo layer, and select Create Clipping Mask. Repeat these steps. When finished placing all photos, hold Ctrl or Command and select all the shape layers. Duplicate the layers by dragging it on the new layer icon. Keep selection and click the group folder icon. Rename it. Change fill to 0. Select and right-click on the top layer, select Create Clipping Mask. Move the folder to the top. Right-click on the folder and select Blending option. Adjust stroke and shadow as you like. If you need to adjust a photo, select the photo layer, use Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command+T to adjust the size and position. Thanks for watching, remember to subscribe in my channel.